Namaste, my name is Shraddha Sohoni and I am the founder of Kathak Dance Academy. Starting this week, we'll be starting a new series of Thursday Kathak tutorials. Up until last week, I have introduced you to many aspects of Kathak through the Wisdom Wednesday episodes. From now on, for the next few episodes, we'll be doing only practical and the implementation of what was told or taught during the Wisdom Wednesday episodes. In today's episode, I will be showing you steps on 16 counts. These counts can be equal 1, 2, 3, 4 or they can go like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 or in any combination. Let's see the first set of 8 counts. I will be mirroring every movement. So this will be your right and this will be my left. Before we begin, I'll show you the origin position, which is your index finger rests half bent on your thumb. At your chest level, shoulders relaxed, elbows linear. Do not raise them or drop them. And your feet will be in V, that is Samapada. We'll start with the wrist movements that we've seen. I'll be mentioning in the caption the link to the wrist movements so you can know the basics and then come back over here. So first is right and left. When you're doing this, you have to look to your right corner and center, left corner and center. And while doing this, you have to tap your right leg first and then your left leg. I will also be mentioning the link to the Tatkaar basics that was done in the Wisdom Wednesday episode. The link will be in the caption. So 1, 2. The next count, you'll open your hand upwards. You'll open your right hand first. Then hold 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 is quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. And while doing so, you look at where your hand is pointing. Don't look at your hand, look away from your hand to where it is pointing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the first 2 times we looked up, up and eye level. Do not look at your hand, look eye level straight in the corner. Similarly, the footwork for this, follow the leg as per your hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now both the sets together will look like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving on, from here, you will just pull your hand back and come to the original position. We see both the sets together now. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to tap your feet as per the hand. From here, you will pull your hand back to Utpatti. And the feet will start with your right leg again. Right, 2, 3, 4. While doing this, you can also turn over your left shoulder like right, 2, 3, 4. So the whole set will go like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can also do the 5, 6, 7, 8 with the turn like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, you're again back to your origin position, feet in V, hands on their place. Thank you for watching today's tutorial video. Do make sure to learn and practice. You can decrease the speed, increase the speed and keep repeating the video. Do tune in for the next tutorial video which will be out on next Thursday. Until then, if you have any doubts or queries, do mention them in the comments below and I'll definitely try and answer them. Do subscribe to Kathak Dance Academy and follow us on Instagram. Thank you so much.